Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you one of the beautiful, grand looking, exclusively designed for the customized pattern, which is so simple and easy to do. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this design. It's grand looking jewelry pattern designing, and I had already highlighted the neckline using two different chain ball laces, one after another sticking on this neckline, and next I'd be using 3 mm semicircle gold metallic beads. The bead I'd be stitching here, followed with the ruby. Here I'd be using 2 mm metallic bead and ruby glass bead, also with the sugar bead. All three I'd be inserting at a time and stitching in this way. It's heavy designer pattern. We have to give an invisible stitches like this. For that I'd be using here cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle, and again next to this I'd be stitching the gold semicircle metallic bead. The pattern is so simple, but it really looks heavy, rich and elegant. It's been exclusively designed for the bridal collection, or else you can also try this for the party wear collection, which we can turn our old stitched blouses to new designer blouses. The complete neckline will be followed in this way only. And on the sleeves, the beads will give the hanging look pattern. For that, the chain ball lace we have to stick just away from the sleeve openings. For that I'd be applying the glue broadly like this and sticking the chain ball lace with the medium size and the small size in this way. And on this gap we have to give the beads joining here, same like how I've shown for the neckline. The semicircle bead followed with the ruby glass bead with the metallic beads. All these materials which I've used for designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. The links has provided in the description box. If you want, you can kindly check it. The color combination with the beads golden work will really gives richness for this type of patterns, and here you can clearly see that the beads, the ruby beads which I am using here, will gives the hanging pattern look on the sleeves opening, which is really so important for this pattern because the hanging look will really gives the richness for this pattern. I think the stitching pattern is clear to all. I'd be inserting 3 at a time. That means the gold metallic bead, ruby glass bead along with the sugar bead, but coming back in the same way. I'd be getting back through the same. So in this way we'll get the hanging look towards the sleeves open. The complete sleeves will be designed in this way only. This is really very trending pattern. No one had shown this type of designing right now, which I am sharing with you all, which I have spent only 200 rupees for this type of designing. And the costing for this design, if you want to try this towards outside, it may cost around 4,000. Complete designing, which I have shown the sleeves, the neckline, everything. Now I'd be using here silver color designer kundans to stick in between these gaps. For that I'd be applying the glue dots like this and sticking these silver designed kundans. And on the leftover space on the sleeves, also on the blouse, I'd be applying the glue dots randomly, maintaining the equal gap like this, and on these dots I'd be sticking again silver color designer kundans. And on blouse also, the leftover gap and on this neckline I'll be applying the glue dots like this. This is to stick again the silver color kundans. pattern has been emphasized with the jewelry pattern designing, which is really expensive, and you can create this in very less time, very much cost efficient. And I'm done with this beautiful designer blouse. This is how the sleeve opening would look with the hanging pattern. And on the neckline, very grand looking and elegant. The making is so simple and easy. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. I have enjoyed making this beautiful designer pattern. Hope you have also enjoyed watching this video. Please do hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. The final look out of the grand looking blouse on the neckline with the sleeves. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.